up, guys? How y'all doing today? Well, baby, if you are Jeezy, you are still going at it with Jeannie Mai. You are now refusing. You are now refusing to give back her personal items. This includes her Emmys. This includes her articles. This includes everything that she loves, including her Emmys and other trophies, makeup, books, photographs, handbags, shoes, and other personal items. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I know. Well, you know what? I would say I know Jenny regrets the day she ever saw Jeezy's face, but she got Monaco. But I'm sure she's like, Monaco's spirit would have come through one way or the other. Why that have to be the daddy? Y'all, Jeezy is proving to be so vengeful, so petty, country petty, Atlanta, Georgia, man petty. You are refusing to give this woman back her Emmys all because you're mad that she walked away and she still looked good, still shining, got her baby, don't need your money, but baby, you still owe her money for the baby. Y'all, let's get into this. But let me tell you something. Let me just say, ladies, and I know Jeannie Mai is mad because she is playing stupid tax for falling into that Kevin Samuels mess. Listen, he talking about he don't feel safe allowing ex-Jeannie Mai to walk around his home. Jeezy, you got a million choppers. We knew it because Jenny leaked the security footage. Why don't you just hire a security guard to follow around the house? You being petty. I'll tell you one thing. Are those Emmys still in the house or did he throw them out? Listen to that list. And again, this ain't no surprise for Jeezy because this is the way he acts every time he leaves a woman. He is vengeful. I'm telling y'all, don't ever date a man that got issues with his mama, especially if his mom was on rugs and like never atoned or made amends. Baby, they are hell on wheels and every woman must pay for what their mama did to them. At least that's my opinion. I don't know if Jeezy got issues with his mama, but psychologically, he does meet the profile. They said Jeezy fears his ex-wife, Jeannie Mai, walking around his home and wants the court to put up boundaries for her upcoming visit. According to court documents obtained by In Touch, Jeezy and Jeannie were going back and forth in court about furniture purchased during their marriage and various other issues. Jeannie claimed she had property at the home that needed to be picked up. The exes faced off with each other and testified at a hearing in November. The judge ruled that Jeannie had 21 days to pick up items that Jeezy placed in boxes, including her Emmys and other trophies, makeup, books, photographs, handbags, shoes, and other personal items. Now, anybody knows Jeannie, I'm sure her handbag collection, amazing. Shoe collection, amazing. The Emmys, go get it. Again, is that stuff in that house or did Jeezy throw it away? Because why didn't he just put it in boxes and ship it over? And then she wouldn't have to walk through the house. The judge ordered this walkthrough in 21 days because you refuse to actually ship her stuff. Again, just petty. Jeezy is petty. They said Jeannie won a daytime Emmy in 2017 alongside her co-host on the now canceled talk show The Real. I actually miss The Real. I know you used to always, I actually miss The Real. They need to bring that back. They need to bring it back. And they need to bring it back with Tamar. I'm just saying, they need the original guest. And Tamar got a rich man now. She don't got anybody stressing her out. Maybe this is going to be a happier, lighter Tamar. They said now, Jeezy asked the court to step in before there were issues. He said the court order allows Jeannie to walk through the entirety of the marital residence with an escort selected by Jeezy to ensure all personal items are collected. Now get this. Jeezy's lawyer said the entertainer is perfectly fine with Jeannie coming to his residence to retrieve her personal property. However, he said Jeezy had legitimate concerns about Jeannie being able to walk through the whole house. He claimed he had issues when she came to the home in September 2023, shortly after their split. He claimed she downloaded part of the security footage system, showing him locking all the doors while holding a chopper. A sticky, blicky. He said Jeannie used the video footage in further effort to justify withholding their daughter from having custody time with him. Jeezy does not feel safe having Jeannie in his home. Given Jeannie's history of attempting to destroy Jeezy's career with misleading information, Jeezy would have no way of knowing if Jeannie is planting listening devices or cameras in his home. I mean, that would be funny if she did. Let her in. We just want to talk. Anyway, they get this. Now he's painting her also like he painted everyone. She's angry and shrewd that he left her. I love the way these men act like they got a couple of dollars and they swear that all a woman's ever going to want, all right, it's their touch and their I loves you. They said Jeannie is angry about the party's divorce and she's revengeful. In addition, the mere presence of Jeannie inside Jeezy's home and personal space after the highly contested nature of the divorce case would absolutely destroy Jeezy's peace and tranquility as well as invade his privacy. So now, I don't understand. You got the money. You always bragging about it, right? Stop buying size medium shirts and size medium leather vests. Stop buying Oshkosh Bagosh style shorts for kids and what is it, black Tims, and hire some more security to have Jeannie followed around. Jeezy asked that Jeannie not be allowed to walk around the home freely and for her to just collect the boxes he packed. Jeannie's rep responded, in part to the claim stating, "It's particularly cruel given that Miss Mai uprooted her entire life from Los Angeles to live in their shared home, only to now face unnecessary obstacles in gathering her belongings." Jenny, welcome, welcome, welcome. But you already know where Vengeful Man is because you went through it with Freddie. You went through it with Freddie. However, Jeezy's actions have made it unnecessarily difficult. Anyway, In Touch says, as previously reported, Jeannie filed a petition for contempt in September. She accused Jeezy of failing to comply with certain terms of the divorce settlement. Jeezy and Jeannie executed the divorce agreement in June. In her petition, Jeannie claimed that Jeezy had failed to pay $4,000 in daycare and school expenses, did not put $500,000 in an account for Monaco, and failed to pay $92,000 for her rent. That was just for half of her rent. Jeannie's filing also claimed that Jeezy did not transfer the title to 2 cars, a Range Rover and a Ford Bronco, to her as required in the agreement. Jeezy scoffed at the accusations. He said it was disheartening that Jeannie would make such blatant misrepresentations in her filings. He admitted, listen to what this fool said. He admitted he was responsible for paying Jeannie's rent for a period of time following the divorce. However, he claims Jeannie provided him with questionable lease agreements that he had trouble verifying. Jeezy claimed Jeannie had failed to provide receipts for childcare expenses and that the DMV is taking longer than expected to transfer the title to the cars. Jeezy and Jeannie Mai wed in March 2021. Jeezy filed for divorce in September 2023. He asked for joint legal and physical custody of their daughter. The split turned ugly when Jeannie accused Jeezy of having temper and getting physical with her a couple of times during their union. He has denied the claims, just like he denied the claims with every woman he's with. You guys, let me tell y'all something. Jeannie need to be the last one. Every single woman is on notice on the type of man you dealing with. Jeezy is a lick. In my opinion, he a lick. He an old grouchy man that never learned to get out of his selfish ways. And now he will make every woman that comes near him pay for that. Again, that's my opinion. I don't know. But I am saying that if you do start dating him and he pulls this, baby, you've been warned. Let Jeannie Mai be the last one. From her sacrifice and her aggravation, let the church say amen. Anyway, y'all, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.